Alright, so I am on step 2. I looked at other recipes to find out what would be best for what I'm doing, and I am doing it different. I noticed that after about 30 minutes, 30, 45, 40 minutes, that the marijuana was already crumbly, and 3 hours would be way too much. I have 3.5 grams there. I have the butter in water. It's 1 stick of unsalted cream butter, and I'm waiting for it to boil. And when that butter starts to melt, I'm going to add the buds to that, and then I set a timer for 60 minutes, and I have to come back and make sure that the water level stays on the glass. So yeah, I had to change it because I didn't want to overcook the THC and make it a crumbly mess. So it's starting to melt now. So I'm gonna try to, yeah, I'm unprofessional. I'm gonna try to do this without spilling it. So that it'll melt all together. And a lot of the recipes call for adding water to it. I think like 4 cups of water to 1 cup of, or a quarter cup of butter. But I'm not making that much. Yeah, don't get any seeds in it. You don't want seeds in it. Just flowers. So that's what that's gonna do. That's gonna melt down, and then once it melts, you stir it occasionally to keep it moving. And then when this is done, after an hour, I am going to strain it. Strain out the cannabis into here. And then what you'll be left with is the cannabutter. So I'm going to use this thing to strain it out, and then you push with a spoon to get the extra THC out of the strainer. And then after you strain it, you put it in a mold, or you can leave it in the bowl, whichever, just let it set up, and then it's ready. And I'll be back. Bye!